want to get notified when my new video comes out, like and subscribe and ring that bell. Boys, my name is Gabriel and today we're playing Just Tornadoes 2 Flourished. Yes, they have the creator just got his game back from Roblox and he got unbanned. And I'm not gonna chase that thing, but it's gonna chase with Storm Warrior.
Gotcha.
Let's see, I never owned Storm Warrior, so let's just see how it deploys.
It's good. Dad.
Airbags, then spikes. Okay, but aren't these spikes vertical? Yeah, that's kind of bad. Out of the ground and nice. I'm gonna go to another server or like goes to that one bridge and tries to survive. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna use Storm Warrior. Congrats, broski. I can't even buy.
We smoked that guy. I didn't even get to kill him.
Let's just wait. And I'll cut you to the tornado. Okay.
You rage pretty. You definitely rage pretty. You can defeat them.
Wait. 500k? $90k. Boys. Wait. Okay, boys. We might have a new server here, and we have to go quick. What the fuck? Okay, we have to spawn.
You can jump.
What are they gonna be arguing?
Check. Boom, bam, bam, bing, boom. Chows.
Or actually, I might do the Pete's death thing. Like if I some. What do you mean? That's like May 19? That's my sister's birthday. Oh god, I just told you for kill. Oh gosh, I might die carefully. So next. What? Oh god, tornado. Oh my god, tornado. Okay.
Boom! Oh, you did it.
I gotta exit the car real quick. In case there's a tornado that comes. Gonna drop the umbrella probes. Gosh, what the hell? Just for safety reasons, we're gonna deploy. So deploy.
You're going down like the floor.
Blood rolls. Okay. We're doing Pete's death. 200 miles per hour.
Big crossword.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, we survived. We have survived. The Tiv. Undeploy for the fun of it. What if I just undeploy? Just right here. What happened?
I got them!
This is where the two titans meet. I tricked them. Oh god. Yeah, we were not even here. So we're just getting tons of money. Now we're back to $100K. I'm gonna just collect it. Come on, guys. This is actually very stressful. Nope. It's getting closer and closer. It's creeping up. Okay, we're good. We did Pete's thingy. Okay, we have here. Fuck. Please don't get stuck. Oh my gosh, we're stuck. God! Come on! Stupid car. We're fully stuck because of the stupid ass car from hell. Satan literally doesn't even want this car. I promise to you, Satan doesn't even want this car. Okay, I think I went up now. Move your stupid ass car from China. Not even Satan wants you. Move. We gotta intercept. Gosh. Intercept. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Those are getting tossed around. Like,
County zombies too. Wow, hello.
it's coming right towards me. Nope. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Storm Reaver, come on. I mean, Storm Warrior. Come on, you can do this. Your spikes can do this. You are Interceptor. Do your job and gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. No. Oh, we stuck, Lord. Yeah, fire. Oh my gosh, it's over 200. Oh my gosh, we're stuck. Insane intercept. Hero. Okay, we need to get off. We need a new vehicle. What's the tip? How much is the tip? 200 whole. Let's get the Dom one. I miss the Dom too. I'm gonna drive right in the store. The eye of the store. Okay, so, shit. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm survive. I will survive. Oh my god, oh, fuck. Oh, holy shit, we're alive. We are alive. We're just in the wrong place. Gosh. No way I actually did that. Oh, nope, we're okay, maybe I can get in the back. Maybe we can get into the bridge. Stop. Why is this like going 2 miles per hour? I'm not even lying, it is. That thing's getting tossed like a toy. We're gonna drive right into it in the bridge. What if I'll drive into it in the bridge? I'll just go right about here in the bridge. We need the umbrella. Come on, dumb one! Oh my gosh. It's not gonna. Oh god, it's losing its grip. Run! Dumb one! Come on. Run! Come on, we need Storm Reaver. We need Storm Warrior. Come on, you can do it. You're the only interceptor that's actually useful. Nope, you're not useful at all. Fuck you. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy dickheads. Oh my gosh, it's so water spout. It's a tornadic water spout, bros. Okay, we need you. I need to deploy you. Oh my gosh, we need deploy.
No, I'm gonna play game. You like to play it? Play game? I think I hate play.
Shut up, broski. We need to get out of here. The Storm Reaver is confirmed to be better. Even by me. Dom 1 cannot survive the thing. Broski, don't mind! Oh, that's my Elsie's. Sorry about that confusion. Okay, we need my... Oh wow, that was stupid of me. So, I'm not buying Dom what? Dom shit. I wanna buy Dom. Okay, so we have to get through here, get around here, and about here. Let's see. Really perfect. Well, about here. I think we gotta deploy. I can't get money with this, but I'll try. I'll just try. Okay, I gotta get inside. I don't know which way, so I'm just gonna get into it. Nope. Get out, me. Please get out. I fell so. My storm weaver. Storm warrior. Come on, save me one last time. Nope, you're not helping. You're not fucking helping me. Shit. Holy. I'm gonna spawn you with me. You're gonna die with me, bitch. Woo! Run! How about the storm weaver real quick? Okay, we need to deploy now. Now this is actually safety. After it goes through that wall, we can intercept it. Or we can literally just drive into that without getting huge damage. So. Yeah, here it is. Good. No, it's down. Okay, we're good. Insane intercept. Right? Oh, I should on this now. Yes. You know it's me now. Where is my pro, bro? Storm Reaper is now confirmed to be actually, but I just like Dom 1 better. I'm sorry. Dom 1 is currently my favorite. That is the suicide. Bang. Mario's gone. That's good to know.
Well, thank you for watching.
Why
And
is he
see you
angry?
in the next episode.